Ice cream, you scream, but you don't have an ice cream machine? Or maybe you forgot to freeze the base. Don't worry, we're making a no-churn ice cream instead. This requires just a few ingredients and time to freeze. Let's make some ice cream. Hi friend, come on in. This no-churn ice cream comes together easily and the flavor possibilities are only limited by your pantry. I will be making chocolate today, but I have made mint chocolate chip in the past, as well as vanilla. All are great options. I start by sifting a 1/4 cup of cocoa into a bowl. Then I'll add a 1/4 cup of sugar to balance out the bitterness from the cocoa. If you just want to make a vanilla base, skip these 2 ingredients. Give that a quick stir, then add in 1 can's worth of sweetened condensed milk. This is some I made myself. Combine these well. For vanilla ice cream base, add in vanilla extract with the sweetened condensed milk. For chocolate base, add in either vanilla extract, a splash of strong coffee, instant coffee, or any other extract you think will complement your chocolate base, like mint. I gave this a really good stir to help the sugar dissolve. Chocolate can vary in bitterness. Give your flavor base a taste and adjust the sugar level. I ended up needing to add in another 2 tablespoons of sugar to make this more balanced. Now that my flavor base is made, I want to whip 2 cups of heavy whipping cream to stiff peaks. Be careful, stiff peaks and butter aren't too far from each other. Obviously, a stand mixer or hand mixer will make easy work of this, but it is possible to use some elbow grease to get this done. Make sure everything is really cold and you use a balloon whisk for best effect. I want to take a large dollop of the whipped cream and add it to the flavor base and gently fold it in. This lightens the base, making it easier to incorporate the rest without deflating the whipped cream. The key to this no-churn ice cream is the air and fat in the cream. These work together to create that light, creamy texture we associate with ice cream. This no-churn ice cream will have a more mousse-like texture. If you have never folded 2 things together, this just requires patience. Scrape around the side of the bowl, lifting the bottom onto the top, then gently cut down the center. Continue with this motion until it is mostly incorporated. Add another large dollop until all of the whipped cream has been incorporated. If you want to add in mix-ins, now is the best time. Add in crushed cookies, crumbled brownies, chocolate chips, diced fruit, a swirl of peanut butter. Let me know what flavor you would try to make with this recipe. I poured the mixture into a large container and pressed cling film to the surface to prevent a skin. I'm not sure how critical this is. It can be substituted with parchment paper or likely skipped altogether. Seal tightly and place in the freezer at least 6 hours. My freezer sucks and struggled to get this to freeze properly this year. Good thing I have a deep freezer. Serve this any way you would serve ice cream. In a bowl with hot fudge, in a cone with sprinkles. What are your favorite toppings? If you like easy desserts and pantry-friendly recipes like this, be sure to subscribe. I have loads of no-bake summer treats coming up. And if you haven't seen my shortbread cookies yet, check that out next. Thanks for hanging out with me today.